So hey guys, once again welcome back to my Carnival Top List YouTube channel and the all new 2025 Volvo AMP and all electric MPV car. So let's start at the Volvo AMP 90 is all electric multi-purpose vehicle designed to compete with model like the Lexus LM. It shares many parts with a G-Curve 009, a car made by Volvo parent company Geely, and currently the M90 is only available in China, but Volvo has not ruled out bringing to other markets like the UK. And as per the price and availability in the China, the Volvo M90 starts at approximately 92,000 pounds, which is comparable to the new hybrid Lexus LM. While there is no confirmation yet if it will be available in the UK, Volvo has not dismissed the possibility. And as per the design and feature, the Volvo M90 feature a stylish and unique design distinct from the G-Curve 009. Unlike many electric cars that have fake grills, the M90 has a sleek front with a small air intake to cool the battery and the signature cool Volvo headlights, and the boxy shape is similar to the G-Curve 009, but the M90 has its own unique alloy wheels and distinctive rear design with a tall light. So as per the interior comfort, the inside the M90 offer a luxurious experience resembling a high-end lounge with a 6 seats. The back seats are like a reclining armchair, providing a ultimate comfort, and there is the large 15.6 inches screen for entertainment, and the front design dashboard is clean and minimalist, feature a 15.4 inches touch screen that control most of the car function. Additionally, unlike the Volvo X30 and the M90 include a digital driver display. So as per the performance and range, the M19 is equipped with a single motor that produces 268 horsepower, powering the rear wheels. The standout feature of the M19 is its impressive range, thanks to massive 116 kilowatt battery that allow for up to 459 miles on the single charge. This range surpasses the G-Curve 009, which has the same battery. As per the charging efficiency, the M90 is the efficient and quick. It can go 10 to 80% charge in 29 minutes, making it convenient for long trips with a fewer stop. And conclusion that the Volvo M is promising all electric MPV that combine luxury, performance and efficiency. While the currently available only in China, its potentially expansion of the other market like the UK could offer more consumers access to the stylish and the capable vehicle. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more updated news, so please subscribe our YouTube channel.